Something big is brewing. A powerful winter storm system is lurking on the horizon. It's about to bring some wild weather to the West Coast. What's really in store for us? Let's take a closer look. A series of atmospheric rivers will be moving into the Pacific Northwest and Northern California starting Sunday, bringing a prolonged period of windy and unsettled conditions. We're expecting heavy rain and mountain snow with several inches of rain possible, especially in the Northwest California. In terms of snowfall, we're expecting 1 to 2 feet of snow in the Sierra Nevada mountains, with some areas potentially seeing up to 3 feet of snow. The Cascades could see anywhere between 1 to 3 feet of snow, with the heaviest snowfall expected on Monday and Tuesday. Meanwhile, on the East Coast, we're expecting a cold start to the week, with temperatures well below normal on Monday and Tuesday. But don't worry, folks, warmer temperatures will be moving in by Wednesday, just in time for the holiday. Now let's take a look at the big picture. We've got a powerful winter storm system moving into the West Coast with a series of short waves and atmospheric rivers bringing heavy rain, mountain snow, and windy conditions. It's going to be a wild ride, folks. And don't forget, another system is expected to move into the plains and Midwest by Thursday, bringing rain and snow to the region. That's all for now, folks. Stay safe, stay informed, and stay warm out there. I'll see you back here tonight.